Hello, class. Welcome to our 8th lecture series on Management Essentials, and I'm your instructor, Dr. Jamal. So, before deep diving into the world of Management Essentials, wait a second, we do have important announcement that on 9th of May, we would be having our midterm, right? And on midterm, till chapter 8, this chapter, okay, 8 chapters will be included till chapter 8. And the pattern is there's going to be a part 1 and 2 and part 3. Three parts. Part 1 and 2 consist of true false MCQs, and part 3 is case study. Okay, the same that we are giving you as an assignment. So you need to answer it. You need to apply those concepts that we are learning in these chapters. All right, and remember, I would be uploading. So those who already got through earlier subjects from me, so they know that what I'm mean by the part 1 and 2, and I would be uploading its answer sheet as well. So all you need to do, type the answers into that sheet. So that would be a page consisting of tables for MCQs and true false, here like 1 2 3. All you need to do, you can type using your keyboard. For part 1 and 2, you can use keyboard because I won't be giving you much time to just write down and take a picture, convert into a file, PDF or Word file, and then send it to me. No, I will be sending you complete file. All you need to do, on the right hand side or left hand side, there is a exam. On the left hand side, there would be your answer sheet, so then you can read the statement, true, false, or MCQs, and you can type the answer, save it, and send it to me. Now, of course, this part 1 and 2 would be time bound. I would be giving you time restrictions so that you guys don't have enough time to talk to one another or make some groups or something. Okay, I hope you respect this. Okay, so that we should discourage the the level of cheating and all those stuff. All right, so that would be time bound. For if I am including 30 true false MCQs, I would be maximum giving you 35 minutes. Sorry about that. So like approximately 1 minute for one MCQs or true false. All right, and for part 3, I would be giving you enough time so that you can solve case study, and that would be handwritten. Must be handwritten like assignment. All right, it can be keyboard type answers here. If you have ePen like me, so you can just fill it out and send it to me. You can save more time. But if you don't have the ePen, you can use computer or whatsoever. But in part 3, you are not allowed to use keyboard. You can use ePen or like what you are doing in assignments. Solve it in a paper, take a picture, send me in a Word or PDF, whatever you like. Just send it to me, okay? But rename your file. Most importantly, you must rename your file. So that when I just copy and paste to my folder, it may not be override. So good chances are, for example, Jamal part 1 and 2, you must include your name in the file name so that it may not be overwrite. Okay, Oliver part 3. So that would be your file name. Okay, not Oliver, of course, your name. Not everyone's try to just say with the part 3 with Oliver, just your name in part 3. So everything is clear? Any question?
Yes, I have a question. Can you tell me again what part 1 was? Because I think I missed it accidentally.
Part 1 and 2 would be true, false, and MCQs. Right? And for this, I would be uploading the answer sheet as well. All you need to do, just open this file and open this answer sheet file. Just type the answer, true, false, true. You write T in those very nice tables, just 1, 2, 3, correspondingly true, false, true, false, true, false. And on MCQs, you can just write A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. That's it. You can type. You can use a pen, whatever you want. In part 1 and 2, you can use your keyboard. But for part 3, where I'm giving you case study, you are not allowed to use typed answers. Understand, everyone?
Yep.
Good. Should we move forward?
And for the exam, we have to be online as
Yes,
like on Zoom meeting, right?
exactly.
And do we have time?
You must turn on your camera and your microphone. If you are disturbed by the noise, you can turn down your volume, your speaker volume to 0, but you cannot mute your microphone. Understand, everyone? Justin?
About Sorry, could you hear me? I can.
So, Justin, can you hear me now?
My question was, for the third part, we have to print it out and make a photo sent to you. But is it after the first and second part, or
After
during the?
uploading from after this, I would be uploading part 3. So these gonna be separate files. Okay. So if you have printer, you can print it out, solve it, take a picture, send it to me. If you don't have the printer, you can just solve it on a blank page, take a picture, and send it to me like assignments. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Good. Okay, if you still have any question regarding the midterm, you can also post in our WeChat group. I would be happy to answer over there. Okay, so our today's chapter, which also would be included in our midterm, is the foundation of planning. So let's just explore that. So in this chapter, we will be talking about the nature and purpose of planning, types of organizational plans, contingency factors in planning, and approaches of objective settings, and the last one is contemporary issues in planning. What are the latest techniques that we can utilize in planning? So what is planning? Planning means, like in your common terminologies, you plan something. Planning means setting goals, establishing strategies, and develop plans to integrate and coordinate work activities. So like in your daily routine, if you want to do something, you plan. Plan means you make goals. Okay, if you want to come to this class, I wish it would be like an on-campus class. So what is your planning? Okay, you wake up, your goal is to make a coffee, you go to the coffee, you drink coffee, and then change your clothes, take bus, come to Donghua University, and take the class. So your planning was to attend the class, but the goals, you setting up some goals, 1 through 3 goals. In 3 goals, when you achieve those 3 goals, you are finally able to come to the class. All right? And remember, each goal is connected. All right? If you haven't done, having your coffee, you are not mentally fresh, you are still sleepy, you cannot change your clothes like effectively, and when you are sleepy, you miss the bus or train something and you miss the class. All right? So, but unlike our daily routines, organizational plannings are formal. You need documentations. You are very serious about that. All right? And it should be time bound as well. And goals must be written and shared organizational wide. If you want to be the top class quality producer of computers, how you can become a top class quality producer of computers? What kind of, what do you mean by quality? Either quality what customer perceives, either quality what you perceive, either quality in terms of functions, in terms of performance, in terms of price, in terms of display or something. You need to make goals, fulfill those each goals, and then you are going towards the final goals of becoming the top quality oriented in the industry. So remember, planning only does not include just, okay, you just plan, make short term goals and that's done. No, it must be shared and integrated. So it means it's concerned the both ends and means what we are trying to achieve and how we are going to achieve. What and how. What's and how's. Both. So many students or many, the layman businessmen, they just focus on what's. That's it. What we should do. That's it. We should do like this, and that. They don't share the idea of how we are going to achieve that. That's it. All right. And in organization, remember that there is no informal planning. There is always formal planning. That's why when they announce the jobs, they have JDs, job descriptions, job responsibilities, so that you, when you are hired, you are